To name a few diseases cured by Panchabhautik Chikitsa, I can say liver, lung, kidney diseases, then the diseases of the digestive system such as hyperacidity, IBS, colitis, or for that matter spine disorders, spondylitis, ankylosing spondylitis, migraine, vertigo, thrombophlebitis, varicosity. The list is endless. Namaste. Greetings from AVP Research Foundation. Today we are here to discuss about Panchabhautik Chikitsa. Panchabhautik Chikitsa is a very unique and a purely Ayurvedic method of the diagnosis and treatment of a disease. This Panchabhautik Chikitsa was initiated by late Vaidya Atmaram Shastri Datar of Sangli, Maharashtra after a deep and meticulous study and research of the Ayurvedic texts and innumerable patients over a span of 65 years. The basic principle we follow in Panchabhautik Chikitsa is Yavanto Loke Tavanto Dehe, meaning what all is there in the universe is there in our body. Our body is a miniature form of the universe. Just as the universe is made up of the Panchamahabhutas, our body is also made up of the Panchamahabhutas. These Panchamahabhutas, when function in harmony, the health of an individual is maintained, and when these Panchamahabhutas are not in balance, that leads to the formation of a disease. In Panchabhautik Chikitsa, we take the history of a patient in a short and specific way. The history of past illnesses is also of great importance, as Panchabhautik Chikitsa believes that the history of past illness has a large impact on the presenting symptoms. Another speciality of Panchabhautik Chikitsa is that we derive the Prakriti, that is the basic constitution of a patient based on his date of birth. This helps us to cure his illness in a specific way and also guide him in his lifestyle and dietary habits accurately. Then we examine the abdomen of the patient, which helps us in finding the root cause of the disease, which remains hidden in most of the cases. It is commonly seen that the reports of the patients are normal, yet the individual is suffering. Whereas even if the patient presents with varied and vague symptoms, still we can accurately diagnose and give huge relief to the patient by Panchabhautik Chikitsa. Vaidya Datar Shastri has prepared 20 medicinal formulations in Panchabhautik Chikitsa which are very easy to take as the dose is very minimal, and so they are very convenient for all age groups. To name a few diseases cured by Panchabhautik Chikitsa, I can say liver, lung, kidney diseases, then the diseases of the digestive system such as hyperacidity, IBS, colitis, or for that matter spine disorders, spondylitis, ankylosing spondylitis, migraine, vertigo, thrombophlebitis, varicosity. The list is endless. AVP RF Specialty Clinics under AVP Research Foundation provides you Panchabhautik Chikitsa and can help you manage your diseases effectively.